If you'd like to learn how to make these, then keep watching. Hi everyone, and welcome back to Beverly's Design Time. Today I'm very excited to announce that Michaels has the crushed glass back in stock. Yay! So now we can get on to doing more DIYs, and you guys now have a chance to do some of my older DIYs that you've been wanting to do for a while now. So of course in today's DIY we'll be using the crushed glass, this bowl that I picked up at Dollar Tree, this tea light holder, some Mod Podge, some E6000, some of this rhinestone bling. We're going to be using this brush later on. Some scissors. We're going to be using one of these candle holders from Dollar Tree. Actually, I'll be using 3. And the glue gun. And some glue sticks. We'll also need a bowl, and I'll be using this foam brush, along with this box to put my crushed glass inside. Now on with the DIY. Oh yeah, and one more thing. We're going to be using some of these gems. I'm actually using 5 of them. Okay, so now on with the DIY. We're going to start out by gluing our candle holder to the tea light holder. And I'll be using the E6000 to glue these two together. So I'm just going to spread the E6000 all the way around on the bottom of the tea light holder. Now flip the candle holder upside down and put the votive on top with the glue between 2 pieces. And I'm just going to make sure it's centered properly. And then I'm going to place a weight on top to make sure that these 2 pieces bond together properly. I set those 2 pieces aside to dry. So now I'm going to put some of my crushed glass inside this box. I've cleaned my bowl and removed the label from the bottom. Now I'm going to pour some of the Mod Podge into this red bowl, and then I'll use my brush to apply the Mod Podge to my clear bowl that I purchased at Dollar Tree. You want to apply a thick layer of Mod Podge, sections at a time. Now take your bowl, put it directly over the box, and then start pouring the crushed glass over the area where you put the Mod Podge. Periodically pat some of the glass down onto the Mod Podge. Now continue those steps until it's completely covered. Now we're finally done with our first coat of the crushed glass. So I'm going to set this aside and let it dry. Then I'll come back and fill in any open spaces. Now that my base is dry, I'll go ahead and add some rhinestone bling in 3 places. Here, here, and then here. And to do that, I'll be using my glue gun. Now that's done, let's go ahead and add 5 of these gemstones to the base of the candle holder. Now that my bold and crushed glass is completely dry, I'll go ahead and attach that to the base using the E6000. And what I forgot to show you guys is that I did take some watered down Mod Podge and sealed the crushed glass after the second coat of glass had been added. Then on top of that, I took some of the glitter spray and sprayed the vase with it also to give it that extra bling. I flipped the vase over, and then I put the candle holder directly in the center of it. Now I'm adding my crystal ball for weight until the glue sets up completely. 24 hours later and it's completely glued together. Now I'll go ahead and add one more row of bling where I attach the candle holder to the vase. And I'll be using the glue gun to do that. And just like that, Bling Queens, we are done. Look at how pretty this is. This turned out even better than I had imagined. And I actually have 3 of these. And here's all 3. Here's the shortest one, the medium one, and here's the tallest one. These are perfect the way that they are. But you can also add a ribbon or more bling around the center. This concludes my DIY, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, please leave me a thumbs up. And if you are a subscriber, make sure you turn on your post notifications. And if you aren't a subscriber, I would truly love to have you join my YouTube family. That's it for now, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.